How to promote clickbank products for free. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So there are various ways to do it. The number one way is that you go to your affiliate marketplace, and after getting the link for that particular product or the affiliate link for a particular product, just promote it on the free social media accounts. Like you can go to different Facebook groups and promote it on your Facebook. It won't cost you any money at all. So it's just that how you build your strategy to promote it. So the first one is that you promote it on Facebook. Second one is that you can use Instagram. You can also use YouTube videos in order to promote your product link. So just create impressive videos in order to attract the crowd on your particular link, and provide that link in the description of your video and tell all the benefits related to that particular product in order to get conversions out of it. So all these methods require no money at all. All you have to do is just put your hard work instead. And this way you would be able to promote your clickbank links or products for free. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.